Is it possible to have fun while grilling sustainably? You might be surprised. Welcome to the world of sustainable grilling, a world where we combine the sizzle of your favorite barbecue with the responsibility of caring for our planet. Think of it as the intersection of delicious and eco-conscious. By reducing our environmental footprint, we're not just grilling, we're making a difference. And trust us, it's more fun than you might think. We have to do our part, and one way is by grilling sustainably. Traditional grilling methods may seem harmless, but their environmental impact is far from it. Picture this. It's a sunny afternoon, and you're firing up the grill for a backyard barbecue. But what you may not realize is that your grill is producing harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and nitrous oxide, which contribute to air pollution and global warming. In addition, the charcoal that fuels many of our grills is often sourced from unsustainable forestry practices, which lead to deforestation and habitat loss. These are serious issues, and they're not just isolated to your backyard. They're happening every time someone, somewhere, fires up a traditional grill. So while you're enjoying that smoky flavor, it's important to consider the broader implications of your grilling choices. We can't ignore the environmental footprint of traditional grilling methods any longer. The solution? Sustainable grilling. Now, sustainable grilling doesn't mean giving up your favorite barbecue flavors. Quite the contrary. Let's dive into some alternative grilling methods that are not only good for the planet, but can also enhance the flavor of your food. First up, consider using natural lump charcoal. It's made from wood, burns cleaner, and imparts a smoky flavor to your food that's hard to beat. Then, there's the option of electric grills. These grills are powered by electricity, eliminating the need for charcoal or gas, and they can still deliver that delicious grilled taste. Or how about using a solar-powered grill? Yes, you heard it right. Harness the power of the sun to cook your food. It's a fun and innovative way to reduce your carbon footprint. So, not only are these methods better for the planet, they could also make your barbecue even tastier. But can sustainable grilling really be fun? Absolutely. Imagine the thrill of embarking on a new adventure every time you fire up your grill. Each smoke-free sizzle and crackle of your natural charcoal or electric grill holds the promise of a culinary journey that's not just delicious, but also eco-friendly. Just picture this. You're the host of an eco-friendly barbecue party. Your guests are enjoying mouth-watering dishes cooked on your sustainable grill, marveling at the unique flavors, and you're the star of the show. Or how about the joy of discovering new recipes designed specifically for sustainable grilling? Each new dish is a challenge, a chance to experiment, and a step towards becoming the eco-conscious grill master you aspire to be. Sustainable grilling isn't just about reducing carbon footprint or conserving resources. It's about embracing a new, exciting way to grill that brings friends and family together in a fun, eco-conscious way. Sustainable grilling is not just about saving the planet, it's about creating memorable and fun experiences. So what's the takeaway? Sustainable grilling is more than just an eco-friendly decision. It's a thrilling adventure, an opportunity to experiment with new techniques and flavors while preserving our environment. Grilling sustainably is not just a responsible choice, it's a fun one too. Are you ready to take your grilling game to the next level? Embrace the thrill of the grill in a sustainable way. You'll be amazed at how much fun it can be. So, go ahead, try sustainable grilling, and don't forget to share your experiences. Grill sustainably, grill for fun.